in the veggies, feel good in your skin. That's how you'll truly enjoy one of these fall harvest salads. We are falling all over the place. Kristin Andrus is busting us out of boring with new salad mixes for our plates. And this is like a food party for our eyes. This is amazing. We think of fresh foods, spring, summer. You say don't neglect fall.
Yes, and so I think we think of summer salads. Yeah, that just kind of goes together. It's do we say fall salads? I think we should, and I think we should more. There's something comforting about like hearty grains and like crisp apples, pears, nuts. Like, you know, there's so many veggies out there that you can roast and make salads with. So don't neglect. Like, you don't have to go to meat and potatoes for the fall, right? Like it gets cold and you think, oh, like I can't do a salad at night. Absolutely, you can totally do a salad, like an entree salad for dinner.
Well, I found myself thinking as I just kind of drooled over your display today that we do go to comfort food in the fall, but who says a salad can't be comfort food?
Totally.
With some of these veggies that you talked about.
Absolutely. I mean, they can even be warm salads. I don't do a ton of those, but that's definitely an option. If you were having, you know, family over on a Sunday night or girlfriends over for lunch or couples for dinner, you could totally do this big, it's almost like a buffet of a salad.
Here we go. Talk to us about this concept because this is amazing.
Okay, so this is so fun. So I told her this is kind of my brainchild over the last couple of days because I thought, I've done this before with like an Italian salad where people have come over for lunch or for dinner and they kind of get to pick their own ingredients, but I wanted to show such amazing flavors, combinations, and this is what you want to do. You want to have your pantry stocked with all of these things throughout the fall until, I mean, I'd say Christmas, but I think you could keep going into the winter with these, right? So you have the stone fruit, you have pears and apples, Brussels sprouts, we all love butternut squash, right?
Yes, we do.
Like those veggies, you can grill them, you know, bake or broil them, whatever.
Quinoa.
Quinoa. We have barley, which is actually so good. These just make your salad super hearty. Add a little bit of bacon. You don't need a ton of bacon to really add that. Even a little bit of cinnamon, pomegranates, roasted carrots are amazing.
Oh, yum.
So you have the color, you have citrus. Citrus is like fall, right? It's not lemons and limes, but it's like oranges and grapefruits, and that's gonna be in the salad that I'm gonna show you. But, so I have it on your website. It will be a list of all of these awesome fall ingredients to make, just to have in your pantry and in your fridge for your fall salad, so that 5 o'clock dinner time and you're like, I don't know, what am I gonna do? You have chicken or you have pork, or you have something and you're like, I'm just gonna make a big salad because I have some of these ingredients already in my fridge.
It's what you're so good at, Kristin, and if you follow Kristin on Instagram, which you should, you know this, that you're always just reaching for what you have. Granted, you're well-stocked, I have to say that.
Yeah,
but pulling together the combinations that are a little bit unexpected and trip the palate up a little bit. I mean, mom lunch is at your fingertips for a week and beyond here.
Totally, absolutely. And make multiple servings of this. So if you're gonna feed your family butternut squash, make double so that you can add it to a salad the next night. So I'm huge on that, and then it saves so much time.
So for the party scene, we pair this next to a big bowl of greens.
Actually, my greens are in here.
Oh, you're kind of in here too.
Yeah, I have spinach. So you want like leafy greens for the fall, right? You're not really using an iceberg. You're using kale with a lot of, you know, it's kind of rubbed in. You have spinach, you have leafy greens, radishes. I mean, there's just such a combination.
Okay, now I want to see what your brain did with this. What's the salad you're recommending?
What I did with this, and I think it is so yummy. It's kind of a take on something I've seen online. And once again, I'm just always kind of looking out there. So if you're wanting to come up with more ideas in your own head and foods that you like, you know, go to foodie magazines, go online. Instagram has a wealth of amazing recipes. And then there's something actually at Copper Kitchen and Holiday that I had that's a little bit similar. I totally changed it up. But always kind of be looking out there. So what we're gonna do on this one is we have ricotta cheese, and this is kind of fun. You just put it on the plate like this.
That's your base?
Yes, this is your base.
Oh.
Which I love. So you're gonna go like that, and it's actually really pretty to serve too. And you could do it, you know, on a huge serving platter.
So you could do single serve or a party platter for this.
Exactly. You know, I'll put that out here so we can look at it a little bit better.
Okay.
And then we're gonna take different beets. Now, I have to be honest, I got these at Trader Joe's. They were in that vacuum packed thing. So those are super easy for beets, I feel like. And then these I actually did roast on my own only because these are the golden beets, which I love having 2 different colors, right?
Color
it just kind of
pretty.
adds to it. So then the golden beets, which are so good. And I do have to say the texture is a little bit better when you do it on your own. But I think vacuum packed is just fine.
In a pinch, it works.
Right. And then, let's see. And then for the oranges and the grapefruit segments, I'm gonna cut it like this around. I don't know if you've ever seen this. And then we're actually going to cut in side like that.
I've wondered how people get those
perfectly. And that's how you get the really pretty things just like that.
So you're coming at it from the side.
Yep. So you'd cut around and then you just get it just like that.
Aha.
And you're gonna do that with a grapefruit and you're gonna do that with an orange here.
Okay.
And then lastly, we have avocado. I just sliced it both ways. I take my spoon. This is the easiest way to do avocado.
You taught me that. I do it every time now.
Good, I'm so glad. I top it with avocado.
Kristin, you're with me in my kitchen many nights of the week.
Glad.
Yes.
I love when people say that. It makes me so happy. Pistachios. I love pistachios.
I
so
do too.
add pistachios here. And then our dressing. These are also fall dressing. So maple syrup, balsamic vinegar, apple cider vinegar, mustard, brown sugar. Those all just scream fall, right?
Maple syrup on a salad?
Oh my gosh, in a salad dressing? Absolutely.
Oh,
if
in
you
the dressing,
Google,
okay.
Yeah, if you Google fall salads, maple dressings are plentiful.
Love.
So in our dressing for this, I love this because you take some of the ingredients from the salad and you actually put it in the dressing. So I did orange juice, I did a little lemon juice, grapefruit juice, these shallots. Shallots are great. And I could use this for a lot of stuff. Salt and pepper, let's see, olive oil, of course, and I think that's it.
This
and
is
then
a great salad
a little
jar.
bit of either honey, which we have, or brown sugar, just to sweeten it up a tiny bit. I know this is the best.
That's perfect.
And then salt and pepper.
Is that Ball?
It is it what?
What brand is that? I thought I saw. Yeah, it's the candy.
And you know
umbrella.
what? You buy these.
I love
now
that.
I'm making my own kefir at home for
What?
probiotics. That'll be the next segment.
Stop it.
Oh my gosh.
So you shake,
I'm obsessed.
It's
so
the perfect
anyways,
size.
this you buy these with the normal, and then you buy these tops separately.
Oh, okay.
And all my tops now look like this, and I
love
like them
it.
so much better than having the two pieces.
Yeah, absolutely.
So anyways, salad dressings, fall, I just love it.
Gorgeous.
Adding all this yummy stuff. And your
Gorgeous.
kids will totally eat this. If you need to separate it a little bit, that's fine.
May I plate?
Yes.
May I plate?
Okay, yes. So pick your favorite things. Pumpkin seeds.
Little
These
spinach.
pumpkin seeds are amazing.
Okay, while I'm plating, tell us what we'll find on your
Walnuts.
Instagram, girlfriend.
Oh my gosh. My Instagram is full of.
at this spoon.
Last night I posted a video of my 6 children going absolutely crazy. My house was disgusting, messy.
Oh, what? Your house isn't perfect all the
so
time?
I was trying to get ready for this, and I just come in from out of town. So look at that. It will make you feel so much better about your life. Because mine is just not put together. But people were like, I love seeing real life on Instagram because they feel like they don't. So
and I love this
look for that.
lunch.
Good.
Plate is full. Stomachs are happy. Thank you so much, Kristin Andrus. This is where we find you online.
Kristin Andrus on Instagram.
We appreciate it. Fall salads. We're bringing it back. We love it.